What it do, C fam? It's your boy C Will. We back at it with another slight video, man. Look, today's video, y'all, we're gonna be putting on our carbon fiber rear diffuser, man, on a 2022 Dodge Charger Hellcat. You know, this is not my first time doing this, y'all. Hopefully it's my last time. You remember, as y'all can see, got that thing in my hand, bro. So this thing nice, bro. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, I got that bit off Amazon. You know, people gonna argue, man, why you putting cheap parts on there? This bill was like 150 smooth, you know. But yeah, had some good reviews, so you know, let's see what this thing hitting on. I'm gonna take it in the sun so y'all can see it right quick. But yeah, shit, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man, all that good stuff. Yeah, let's get to it. Right, y'all, and just like that, man, we got our carbon fiber diffuser, man, rear diffuser for the 2022 Charger Hellcat, bro. This thing right here looks so good. Like I said, it's only on Amazon, man, for like 150, maybe. I paid 150 max, you know. I might be over exaggerating, but yeah, this thing look good though, y'all, for sure. When the sun hit it, as y'all can see, man, this thing look crazy, bro. So yeah, it's plastic on the inside, whatever. I don't really care. Ain't nobody gonna see that. All I really care about, y'all, is the outside. And yeah, this should just be a regular OEM fit. It already have all the little holes and all that, man, so should just be a direct plug and play, you know. As y'all can see, you got the Charger Hellcat right here, man. We already got the carbon fiber stripes, you heard me, so I definitely think it's gonna be a good play on it, you know. So yeah, as y'all can see, this right here is what I'm working with already. Why in the world Dodge just give us a you know what I mean, something plastic and garbage like this right out the factory? I don't know. You would assume that if a person paying 60,000, 70,000, 80,000 for their car, that Dodge would, you know what I mean, hook you up with this right here fresh out the factory, or like at least just give you like an option to do that, you know what I mean. But they don't even let you option your car out like that. Instead, you gotta get this. So yeah, man, this right here is double four, you know. Yeah, let's get to it, man. Alright, C fam, so getting underneath the car, right, you got a push pin that's right here on both sides, and then you got what I believe 7mm screws. So you got one, you got two, you got three right there, and then a fourth one right there. So you got four 7mm screws, and then you got two push pins, one on this side and the other one obviously on the other side, man. So yeah, let's get these things off so we can pull this bump off and yeah, see the finished product, man. So see fam, so just like that, this right here is what the four 7mm screws look like, and then you also got your two push tabs on the sides, right? These things was hard to get out, I don't know why, man, but yeah, now all you want to do now, y'all, is just tug on this bumper, right? It's gonna feel like you're breaking something, or it's gonna sound like, and it's gonna feel like you're breaking something. But yeah, you definitely gonna just go from one side, tug it all the way from this side to the next side, and then yeah, man, this thing should come right off. So let's get to it, man. Look, prior to me even taking this thing off, I definitely just wiggled the bottom of this thing. And yo, whenever I tell you, bro, all the rocks and stuff that came from under here, like I said, this right here is like 5,000, 6,000 miles of just dirt, debris, collection of dust and everything, man. So like I said, bro, definitely just want to start from this bottom side right here, right, and just start yanking that bit, because it got tabs in here. You know, you're gonna feel like you breaking something. You see, it's gonna feel crazy. See, it's plastic, so it's just held in by like clips. That's it, held in by nothing but clips, you know. So just want to keep yanking at it, pull them out. See that? Ooh, dusty boy, dusty. Ooh, ooh, crazy. Tough. It's tough doing this thing with only one hand, y'all, so bear with me. Damn, look at that. So as y'all can see, like I said, 6,000 miles, man. Nothing but dirt, debris, dust, all that, y'all. So going from this to this, man, major upgrade, bro. Major upgrade. The difference in quality is just immense, you know. So yeah, man, your boy C Will still not scared to get the hands dirty, y'all. You know what I mean? I might clean this, I don't know. I mean, it's gonna get dirty again anyway, you know. But yeah, man, it's crazy, right? Look at this factory, which is atrocious. Aftermarket, man. So yeah, now all we got to do now, y'all, essentially is just line up these tabs over here. So as y'all can see, tab. So essentially just start from the middle with these two, right? Obviously it's the middle, so start from the middle right here, and then I'm gonna work my way from one side to the next side, man. So yeah, it would be really beneficial if I could have did this with two people, but it's just me and a wife and my daughter, so it's not really possible, you know. So yeah, let's get to it, man. Alright, CEEFAM, look, boy, sweating out here. California is hot. I just finished the install, man. If it's up to me, I say the install look fire, you heard me? This boy look good. Look at that. Look at that, man. I'm so proud of myself, man. Nosy neighbors, bro, driving by slow, trying to see what I'm doing, you know, asking questions. Don't nobody on the block got a Dodge Charger. You know, nobody. But hey, check this out. Alright, just like that, CEEFAM. This boy look a hell of a lot better, you hear me? I can't believe I bought this car from a Ford dealership. That is absurd, Dodge. But yeah, this thing look good, y'all. You know, this thing sitting all the way flush, you know, perfect fitment. Got the carbon fiber with the carbon fiber. So yeah, man, this thing look good. Proud of myself, you know, flush look all the way around. So yeah, man, this thing look good. Man, it's dusty out here too, y'all. So, look, front yard don't even got no grass. It's just rocks. That's tough. But yeah, this thing look good though, y'all. Comment down below, man, what y'all think. I think it look good. Definitely got to get the carbon exhaust tips though, or Vicrest. Anybody that got 5-inch exhaust tips, you know, just to fill out the back a little bit more. This thing was dirty too. Look, dirty, man. But yeah, Let me know exactly what y'all think. Yeah, like I said, for this install, y'all, all y'all need, man, is a ratchet with a 7mm head on there. You know, undo those 4 screws in the middle, and then any kind of pry tool, man. You know, I got a Gerber or whatever, any kind of pry tool, man, to get those 2 push pins, one on this side, one on the other side. Pull it off, shit, plug and play, put the new one on, and then yeah, go from there, man. Shit. Yeah, this thing look clean. I can't believe Dodge did us like that, y'all. I can't believe this, bro. I might toss this, boy. This don't make, this is atrocious. Look at that. Atrocious. What am I supposed to do with this, CEEFAM? Can't do nothing with this, dog. Nothing. Yeah, this install, y'all, probably took, I'd say 20 minutes max, bro. Like I said, I'm doing this in the street. You hear me? In the street. No matter, man. Trying to grind, get these videos out to y'all. Any way I can help y'all, man. Shit. Y'all want to see a mod? Y'all want to see anything done to the car, bro? Let me know. Y'all can definitely go check out my old playlist that I have. Dodge Charger content, all that. I probably did all this stuff already, man. So, yeah. Comment down below, man. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what else y'all boys and girls, shit, what y'all want to see on the channel. You know, like I said, this right here makes the car look 50 times better, especially since we already got the carbon fiber package on here. I definitely want to do a car review on my car, a full review, just to let y'all know what options the car got. Yeah, definitely want to do that for y'all, man. So, sheesh, this bit look nice. But yeah, y'all, hey, look, I appreciate y'all for stopping in to the channel, man. Make sure y'all leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that, bro. You heard me? All that I'm asking y'all for, man, is free. You know what I mean? Support me, support the channel, support the grind, support the hustle, man. I appreciate y'all, CEEFAM. It's your boy C Will. That bit look clean, you hear me? Hey, it's your boy C Will. I'll holler at y'all boys on the next one, man. Yes, sir.